Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to like and subscribe. We cover cars, we cover video games, and I guess we're adding this new segment. I'm not sure what to call it yet. So if you have any suggestions, put it in the comments. You guys are taking a liking to these kind of segments, me covering these kind of as well as the court drama and stuff like that. It seems like you guys are taking a liking to those. I can see it by the analytics. So I'm gonna try to do more of those, and if you have a name for it, hey, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to kind of like put a name for it. But anyway, we got another super dummy over here. Usually I would do this in YouTube Shorts. I might still do this in YouTube Shorts as well too, depending on how YouTube is. YouTube is weird when it comes to that community guideline, but other people can kind of like wiggle their way around it, but for some reason I can't. But anyway, enough with the jibber jabber. Let's go to the video. I've only seen it like a few minutes of it, roughly just like a clip, but we're going to watch the whole 7 minutes of it together. We'll get through it. I don't know if he's experiencing any kind of mental issues or mental breakdown. I don't know. I've only seen just a clip of the video, but we're about to find out. We're gonna see the whole video. I'm gonna play it for you guys and then giving you my thoughts as well. In case you weren't aware, this video has gone viral. I think this channel, this news channel, has like 2.5 million or 1 million people that viewed this video. The title is, it's called Extended Dashcam Video, Portland Man Plows Through Grand Floral Parade Barricades. Viewer discretion as advised. You've been warned, okay? But nobody got killed and nobody got ran over, thank God. Let's go.
Oh my God!
With the fucking train.
Huh?
I'm stuck on the fucking freeways all over the place.
They got it all blocked off! The Lloyd Center exit, the Convention Center exit, every motherfucking exit! You punk!
It's not that serious, my guy. It's not the end of the world, my guy. It's a minor inconvenience, my guy. You don't have to ruin your whole life for minor inconveniences. You should know that there is a parade that's gonna happen. The city that you live in, they let you know. They put signs up. They be like, yo, this freeway is going to be closed. This road is going to be closed at a certain time. My city lets me know, like, hey, this is what's happening. We're going to be closing this main street over. You might want to take a different route because it's going to be you're going to be inconvenienced. But sometimes I get caught. And then I get stuck in traffic. Do I lose my shit like this guy? Absolutely not. No. Let's go. Yeah, flipping people off. Yes, that is the right thing to do. No. They're just doing their job, man. It's got nothing to do with you. It's not personal. They're just doing their job. You don't have to go all crazy just because you're being inconvenienced, but just treat people with respect. They all got to make a living, man. Look at how pissed off he is. This motherfucker is literally falling off, going off the rails. And we were like 38 seconds into this thing. Oh, Jesus. Hopefully we won't get, what is it? Hopefully we won't get, what is it? The copyright music. Ugh. And what's so great? I apologize. I apologize. I am sorry for pausing it so much. But if you know that you have this kind of footage, I would destroy it. If it was me, I would destroy the footage. I would take my dash cam and destroy it, pop up the SD card and break it. Yo. But this is good footage though. This is a nice way for you to snitch on yourself. This is great. I love it. Thank you very much for keeping it going. Okay, now let's go back. I'll let you guys know once the music is over and he's going off the rails again. He's tailgating, riding dude's ass, cutting people off, going over the cones. Wow. He is literally, it says road is closed. Wow. Wow. He's off the fucking rails. Look at that. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. My God. This guy. Woo. I'm gonna go back to turning the sound off because there's nothing really going on. Wow, look. Wow. Dude, why would you run? No. Wow. He's fucking lost his fucking mind. Wow. Dude's lost it. Dude's lost it. Thank God that he didn't run anybody over. That's the positive thing, is that he's got the music blaring. He's on demon time, baby. He's on demon time. Look at his mouth. He's on demon time. The demons have taken over his body. He's not in control anymore. Look at that. Whoa. Where is he thinking? Where is he going? You're in a truck. Where are you gonna go? I'm telling you, he's on demon time, smoking that stuff. What's in that? What's in that cig? Wow. My guy, you are gonna do some serious fucking time for this stupidness that you just did. You endangered so many people. He literally almost hit a couple of people. Where is he gonna go? Where are you gonna go, man? You're in a truck. They got your license plate. You're not going anywhere. You're gonna be arrested. And you're going to jail. These kind of people need to be fucking snatched up and put in jail as fast as possible. Give them like some harsh prison time. Give him 20, 25 years. Let him think about it, if not more. Wow. Wow. This is it's hard to watch. I haven't seen this whole video. This is my first time seeing the whole video. I've only seen like the small viral version of it that has gone on. And while he thinks he's clear because there's no cops around him, he's in for a rude awakening. The radio is faster than your piece of shit truck. It's just the music playing. There's really nothing nothing. This is crazy. I'm surprised that the cops actually stopped pursuing him. I'm surprised. He know he fucked up. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. See how they glossy eyes. He thinks he's good. Where are we at? 6:33. But yeah, nothing's going on. He's got the music blaring, and as always, I'm going to be putting a link in the description if you want to go watch it without my commentary. It's all good, you know. I don't care, you know. I'll be talking too much anyway, so I'm trying to give you guys the play-by-play here because the music is blaring. So I am suffering for you. I want to see him get arrested. I wanted to see him get fucking tossed out of the vehicle. I wanted to see all that. I want to see. Let me see if there's other footage of him getting arrested. Give me 1 second while I look for that. All right, so I did find some information. Since it was an older video, I guess maybe they just released the dash cam, so it did go viral. So anyway, he was finally stopped and arrested. He has been behind bars since June 10th incident and is awaiting trial on 38 charges, including using his car as a weapon. McCam, who has a lengthy criminal record, has pleaded not guilty. Motherfucker, you are guilty as shit. You recorded the whole fucking incident in 4K for us to enjoy. You dumb motherfucker. You're so stupid. People got cell phones, man. All those people that you were driving through the parade route, you don't think they bust out their cell phone and started recording? I'm sure they got plenty of footages. As well as the police officers that was chasing you. So, you know, you got that on top of everything, man. You are going away for quite a time. You know you done fucked up. You should have kept your nose clean from all those other previous charges that you got away with. But anyway, as always, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.